Hi everyone, I just created a AI workflow that writes me a personalized email for all of my prospect data here, and it cost me nothing. In zero token cost, you can see I have my prospects website data and their email addresses here. It will visit each website I have mentioned here, and then according to that website or services they have, it will write you an email as per your requirements. So right now it's pitching out my video editing services there inside this sheet. So here is the workflow and it's completely free. You can create it out by yourself. We're using here Gemini, Gmail or Gamma 431 billion and it's free to use. It will also create a not a fit category. And for those, it will not write an email because this company is not a fit for my services. So let's run this workflow out and see how the things will pop up here. Alright, you can see the three emails are written in few minutes and it depends upon the model we are using because we're using the free model. It's taking some time, but it will eventually you can go back, you can do other work and it will run out for you. And after a few minutes or maybe 10 minutes, it will write a lot of emails for you. You can come back and just paste it out on your email to send them out. And let me show you how does this work. So let me show you each and every node here. You can download this and you just need to import this file as a JSON. So you can import this file. This one is the file and you can import it and this whole workflow with all the settings will be available here. I will go one by one in each node. So you should know how does this work and this can be implemented in your sheets as well. I will stop this workflow for now. So this is the manual trigger here. You can, so it's just a trigger when you need to, when you click on execute flow, it will run out for you. The second node is Google Sheet. You need to set up your Google Auth account. For that, you need to give authorization to your sheet. You can watch any of that video I might upload on my channel, how to connect your Google Sheet to the account. Once that connected, you just need to select that account here and then you have to add the link of your sheet here and from the list you from this sheet you have to click a list here and that means what is the list. It will show you the different list on your or different sheets on your Google Sheet account. Let me show you how does that look. So for example, at the bottom you can see one of my sheet is prospect data and the other one is sheet data. So I copied this link and pasted it here on URL, and you can see it's showing me there are two sheets. So I just picked up my prospect data from here. Right at the top, make sure that you are you are using these columns, and I will share this sheet with you as well, so you can use this as it is. The next thing you do not need to change out this filter settings. I have already done for it for you. And then you do not need to change it. The batch size is 1, so it will pick up each one website every time. And then it goes here, it requests HTTP, and I have already done the settings for you. So it retry if there is a fail, and it retries 5 times, and there is a wait of 3000 millisecond, mean 3 seconds between each try. So you do not need to change anything. Then this HTML extract, what does it do? It extract the website data and make it format accordingly. And now clean website, it cleans the data here in these categories. You can see on the left side there is an input that is coming from previous node and the output is the thing that is going on next node. So these are the nodes that is going along, company name, contact name, email, content we have. And on the right hand side it goes in our model here. So here what you need to do is you need to figure out or add the credentials of your whatever the model you want to use. Either you want to use Gemini or you want to use OpenAI. I recommend using Google Gemini because they offer free models. So you can see I have selected Gamma 431B. This is a free model. Gma 431b works most of the time, but sometimes it shows that this service is not available currently for a few seconds. For that, I have added here, if this fails, it retry on fail, and for 3 times, and there is a wait with for 5 seconds each. So you can see here, if there is an error, it will retry. After the success, it will go into this node. So Google model give us these things. So it has written as personalized email based on our HTML, then summary, service, and industry. So these are the things that Google model. So this is the brain of our model. What does this brain did? It picked up the HTML of that website. So we provided this HTML content to this model, and this model cleaned or this model I have given him. Yes, there is important thing, I have given him the prompt, and I will share out this whole prompt with you as well. And I have asked this, and you need to modify this prompt according to your requirement. You can send this prompt to maybe any model, like ChatGPT or Google or Claude, and say that please update this prompt according to my services, or according to your requirement of your email. So I want my personalized email. I am actually offering the service of video editing. So I have written here a prompt. You can see that you are writing on behalf of Hasnain Ali, a freelance motion designer who makes a short product videos for physical brands. So I have given him these things and then few tasks. So it's writing me an email based on what I have given him the context. So this is the brain that is taking the HTML, from where it decides, okay, what kind of website is this is, and then tries to write an email for me where I can sell my video editing service. This code parse JSON takes everything from here, the text, and convert it into our JSON format, and then we update our sheet, the same sheet. So here you need to add again the link of the sheet, and again you have to select the prospect data sheet. And let me show you my sheet here. You can see these are the columns that are not filled. These are 4 columns, and these are the columns: industry, service, company name, and the fourth one is personalized email. So these are the 4 items. You can see personalized email, company summary, service, industry, and the row number is actually the current row number. Okay, so it will update everything with this data here. So you need to add this thing, and the second you need to make sure that you are on the correct sheet here. And these 4 items, if this is not visible on your site, I think this might not be visible. What you can do is you just need to add a column to send, and you need to select, for example, company name, personalized email. You will select, let me delete one and show you how does this work. So, for example, you can see the personalized email is not here. You will need to add a personalized email column. And then from left side, you just need to pick and drag and drop here. If you can't see this, because if you have not run this, you need to type it out and add it here. You can just copy and paste with this my screen visible here. It will show you. And next thing is that it will just set it out. So this set, what is this is doing? It is marking the status to complete. So when it rerun, it does not rerun for that column. And then this loop will make sure that every data in the sheet is running. If at any stage you got stuck or it's not working, the best condition to test this out is go one by one. And the thing you can do is, for each node, you need to click on this plus icon and then go on this node and click on this. So go one by one, and whenever you feel there is an error, just go and check it out and maybe paste that in your AI model. It will tell you what's the problem in this node. If you stuck at any stage, you can reach me out on my email. I will add it in the description. or and I will try my best to help you out there. Thank you so much for watching this video. On this channel I will share a lot of AI things, workflows, and many other things. And you can check my workflows in my description as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest updates in AI automations. Thank you so much. Have a great day.